Don't you want to play? You want to sit in my lap? You want to sit in my lap? Hello, hello. Here, here. What you guys got there? What you got? This one here, out of Ruby's, he's the thicker. You see, he's got curly hair. See the curly hair on his tail? Hey, don't eat the bed. This one here is longer and skinnier, and he has got more of a kind of a I don't know how to say it. It's a little bit slicker hair. What you doing? What you doing? Here, don't eat that. You just want to sit in my lap. Hey, what you doing? What you doing? Huh? You're just a snuggly bugger, aren't you? You're a snuggly bugger. Hey, come back here. You want to snuggle too? Do you want to snuggle too? Yeah. You want to snuggle too? Doesn't give very good pictures.